One of the most difficult decisions is, well, do I want a mid-roof van or do I want a high roof van? This is the question that everybody asks. Which one do I want? And it really just depends. I want to show you the difference between the two different vans and then maybe help you make a better decision on which size of van you would want. I am currently in a mid-roof. Okay, I have been both in high roof and mid-roof, and I'll tell you a little bit about both. I am about 5'9", 5'9 and a half. I'm pretty much standing straight up. I can't fully extend my neck, but for me, it's really not that important because most of the time when I'm standing straight up in my van, I am looking for something anyway, so my head is bent over. There really aren't many times where I find myself needing to stand straight up. Now, if you're somebody who really needs that good posture, who really appreciates that, maybe you're gonna find yourself cooking at the kitchen pod often where you need to be standing straight up. Maybe the high roof is good for you. But if you're about probably about 5'7", you're gonna be able to stand straight up in the mid roof without having to worry about hitting your head. Now, you may have to watch the bars, but that's the only thing. The mid roof gets a bit better gas mileage. There's just less to hit the wind whenever you're driving down the road. If you're tall, if you're like 6'3", 6'4", 6'5", you probably want to look at getting a high roof. But then again, if standing up straight and you don't mind being bent over, if that's not a huge deal to you, then you may look at doing the mid roof as well. The high roof just has more vertical space. So you have more shelving space, your shelves are a little bit longer. You also have more space up on top of the bed whenever your bed is raised a little bit. So it just gives you more leeway having a high roof. That's a really big plus to the high roof. Some people find that the mid roof has the perfect amount of space. It has the perfect amount of leeway, and they like the gas mileage and they like the control. So it really just depends on you. But I want to show you what me standing up in the high roof looks like. So this is me standing straight up in a high roof. As you can see, I've got plenty of space. I can fully extend my neck. There is still about 5-6 inches above me that I have to go. And so for those of you who standing up is extremely important, this is kind of what it looks like. Maybe a recommendation for those of you who really just don't know, you can't figure it out. You may want to look at going just to a Ford dealership and asking them if you can go check out their mid and their high roofs just to kind of get an idea. Again, a little bit less better gas mileage and a little less better control, but much more space for standing up straight, as well as more leeway on the bed, being able to store more stuff underneath while still maintaining a lot of space up on top of the bed platform.